Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. I'm back with another one. How you guys doing? I hope everybody doing good. You feel me? What's good, man? I'm here. It's all about crypto. Let's get it. Before I go any further, guys, I'm gonna ask you guys please to like this video, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and that's what it is. Let's get it going, man. And if you haven't signed up for crypto.com, guys, I'm gonna have my link down below in the description box. You can use my link, sign up, and get $25 when you do so. But you gotta use the code. It's the code there. You gotta definitely use put in my code. So you know what I'm saying. We could both get that $25. And also, guys, I have the link for New Paradise Natural. They sell all kinds of stuff, guys. Check out New Paradise, and you know show them some love. I'm gonna have my link also down there in the description box. You guys that see it, you could hit that. And I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to talk a little bit about crypto, how crypto been, how crypto look. A lot of people don't want to talk about it. I'm one of them, but as I said, I want to talk about it because I already know what it is. As I said, I tell people, I used to tell people all the time how how I see this thing work. But this is just a part of the process, and you know in order to be able to get it in crypto, you got to go through these moments, and but yeah. So that's what it is, man. Not a financial advisor, guys. If you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. The things I talk about is just my personal experience and my journey and things I'm doing. If I didn't say that yet, but let me get right into it and jump into my MMF. You know what I'm saying? And show you guys that even though even though crypto is down, automatically I'm in. So even though crypto is down, I'm still making money in DeFi. I don't make as much as I used to. You know what I'm saying? I don't make as much as I used to, but at the end of the day, I'm still earning coins, and that's just a beautiful thing. So that's what it is, guys. But right here, I got my MMO, and I stake. They've been sitting here for a very long time, and I could compound after I get so many of them. I could just compound, automatically put it back in the pot, and keep going. And usually that's what I do. So, but right now I'm down. As I said, right here I was at what, at one point in time I had $600 right here. Right now it's 130. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it is. But I'm still getting coins at the end of the day. I got my MMF and Crow staking pool right now. I got 220 MMF that worth $11. You know, remember now, these same coins used to go for $1.80. The highest was $1.84, I think. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just keep getting coins. You know what I'm saying? And basically, I'm gonna get more crows and I'm gonna get more MMF. You know what I'm saying? All the way. If I lose it all, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do it again. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel about crypto. But anyway, as I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? Things I talk about is my experience. You know what I'm saying? So if you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. But yeah, that's how I feel about it. But yeah, so this is MMF, you know what I'm saying, and Crow, and keep getting it, you know, keep getting it. Then I got Savannah and I got MMF, because I really don't have a lot of I kind of narrow my staking pools down, and I got other stuff too, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, but this is Savannah MMF, and I'm earning Savannah MMF in this one, and I'm still earning, yeah, I'm still earning, so at one point this was at $600, and now I'm down to 25. So you guys see what I'm talking about. But as I said, man, I would never quit. Not a financial advisor. I would never quit. Let's get it. This is when you buy, and I tell people that you want to get the coins when it's at the lowest point, and I feel like right now these coins is at the lowest point. MMO was at $14 at one point in time. Now you can get it for $2, so it's a big discount. That's just how I look at it. So I'm gonna just keep on stacking up as much as I can. You know what I'm saying? And right now, the one thing I would tell you guys, man, just watch it. You know what I'm saying? Watch it, because I feel like it could drop lower. It could drop lower than what it is right now. Bitcoin is the king. Everybody follows Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to go down, then it's gonna bring the rest of the coins with it. I know everybody have their own opinion and everybody feel the way they feel, but the truth be told, like at the end of the day, like nobody know ever could have the correct prediction when it comes to these coins. You know what I'm saying? But as I said, you just gotta kind of understand how it works and work with it. But that's what it is, man. So I'm not gonna make the video too long. It's a nice short little video. But as I said, guys, I'm still making money with DeFi. I'm not making as much as I used to, but I'm still making money in DeFi. Now is the time to get you some crypto if it's something that you believe in. Now is the time to get it, because you're gonna get it for dirt cheap. And then I would say what, within the next 6 to 7 months, I would say, and that's just short. And but you know what? Let's give it a realistic time. Within the next 2 years, within the next 2 years from now, you could spend $100, and within the next 2 years from now, it could happen earlier. But if you could spend $100 right now, and within the next 2 years from now, you could turn that 100 into probably 10,000, or even way more than that. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But as I said, now is the time when you invest at the lowest point, because you buy low, and when it's up, you know what I mean, that's that you in profit. you know and when you buy a lot of it. You know what I'm saying? If it's cheap, you buy a lot of it. Buy as much as you can once it's cheap, and just hold on to it. And that's what I would say. But anyway, man, that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. It's all about crypto for me. And don't forget to like the video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, because I'm always going to tell you guys what's the deal, you know what I'm saying, what's going on and how I feel. Everybody got their own, you know what I'm saying, analysis. Right now I'm just kind of, that's how I feel about it. But that's what it is, man. You guys have a blessed day. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Financial freedom is the goal always. You know what I'm saying? That never change. I already know. Let's get it.